Cecil, I was hoping you could talk to me today about top-level statements.
Sure. Top-level statements is a new language feature that was added in C# 9. And one of the goals there was to make it a little bit easier for beginners to get started with writing C# code. Now, with using top-level statements, I don't need to add some of that additional boilerplate that I usually need to do to start writing code. And actually, instead of me talking about it, why don't I just show you a demo and you can see what it looks like.
Yeah, that'd be great.
So what we're looking at here is that file new console application template. And all it really does is just print out hello world. So if I do a .NET run, you'll see it prints out hello world to the screen.
Well, that seems like a lot of code for just a hello world app. Is there any way we could simplify it?
Yeah, for sure. As you can see, this is almost 13 lines of code just to print out hello world. But with top-level statements, I could start removing some of these additional pieces. So for instance, I'm going to get rid of the namespace. And then I'll also get rid of the enclosing class and also that main method. And now I should only be left with that using statement that's on line 1. And then on line 3, you see I have that console write line statement.
Mm-hmm.
And now if I go back again and I'll do a .NET clean, and then I'll do a .NET run, it should just print out hello world just like it was before. But as you notice, this is much less code. What's happening in the background is all that boilerplate code will just get generated for us, and I don't really have to worry about writing it myself.
Great.
Now, another thing I like about these top-level statements is that not only can I write synchronous code, but I could also write asynchronous code as well. So for instance, let's say I wanted to print hello world. I wanted to pause for a second, and then maybe we print good morning world. Right? Now, I just need to make sure that I include that using statement. I'll do another .NET clean, and then I'll do another .NET run. Now, what we're expecting to happen is that it'll print hello world, it'll pause for 2 seconds, and then it'll print good morning world. So again, using top-level statements, I could write asynchronous code, I can write synchronous code, and I don't have to worry about some of that additional boilerplate that it takes for me to get started.
Wow, it seems like using top-level statements really simplifies your application.
Yeah, it makes it so much easier to get started, which is a huge benefit for our beginner programmers.
Awesome. Well, if you'd like to know more about top-level statements, please head over to our C# documentation linked below.